Hey guys, Micah here coming at you with another iMarketslive video. And again, today I'll be doing a demo of the Harmonic Scanner. And as you know, I've already said that I'm only going to promote a couple products. A bounce back is a must. Harmonic Scanner comes with your standard package. And the reason why I like these two is because our team is big in market structure, and when you learn market structure, you just kill it with these two products, right? And newbies coming out with the bounce back are just killing it, not knowing market structure. But when we teach you folks market structure, it just opens up your game. It makes you that much more confidence. And setting that foundation from the beginning of confidence will put you on the right path, right? There's two problems with people, right? When they get into trading, they rely on indicators. That's all they know. But it gets them emotional, right? They start losing and they lose that confidence, right? But when you know what the market is doing, your confidence skyrockets, your emotions go away. So that's why we're big on market structure. So as usual, folks, like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you find any benefit from it, if it helps you. And if you're looking to start your trading journey, click on the link below, www.tradewithmicah.com, and we'll be more than happy to partner with you and take you on this journey with us. So this GBP JPY trade was called. As you can see, there's two different entries, right? I'm going to show you how using market structure can really help you get a good entry. So I'm going to break it down for you. Just give me and I want you to notice what market did, right? It came from here, top here, made its way down, touched here, made its way back up here. So what do you think my next move would be, right? Being that it rejected what, 1, 2, and 3 times, right? My next move would be here. I see it going down, right? So that's the move. Sorry, let's erase these two. Okay, so now let's break it down even lower. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now in the 4th-hour time frame, we can find more support and resistance areas, and I'm going to use the color red. I see it right here, right? No, actually, let's use a horizontal line so it goes right through. Right, and why did I choose this area? Well, as you can see, price came up, hit this line, came down, went back up, broke through, retested it as support, right? From here it was resistance, right? So it hit, came back down, tested again, and finally broke through. So this would be resistance, this would be support, right? Support meaning like you're standing on the floor and it's supporting you up. Resistance is like your ceiling, right? It's bouncing off the ceiling, right? So it came, touched support, shot up. Came back down, touched support, shot up. Now where is it coming, right? Came down, this is your support, right? You can see that on the daily as well, right? So this would be a strong resistance and support area, okay? So from here, now that I got this support, we can break it down to one more time frame, which is the 1 hour, okay? And this is what I see on the 1 hour. Can actually draw another trend line, right? Okay, and the 1 hour, as you can see, the harmonic pattern, I'm going to draw it here. X, A, B, C, and D. Okay, now let's go get the entries. So the first entry was 144836. Let's put that to green. Let's make it a little dim. 144836 is up there, and the next one is 144390. There. And your stop loss is 144071. Okay, that would be your stop loss, and let's make that a light blue line. Okay, so now most people, when they start, all they do is they take the harmonic scanner, they enter in the numbers, and they just take the trade, right? So let me show you what's wrong with that. If that's all you're doing, I mean, you can do it because our harmonic scanners has won a lot, right, just by doing that. But say you take it from the first entry, right, to where it is now. That's about 60 pips in drawdown. That's a massive drawdown, right? So what will people do, right? New people, what will they do? They'll open another trade at the second entry. So let's see where that's at, right? That drew down about 13 pips, and then it came back up in that second entry again. But if you take that 2 entries, that'll be 72 pips in drawdown on 2 trades, right? And as you can see, I have a big support line right here, right? That was off the daily and the 4-hour, right? Right there. So what's to say price wouldn't come back down, right? And touch this support line again, like it did here, like it did here, like it did here and here, right? This was the resistance. So support 1, 2 times, right? So you can see how the market moved, right? The market went up, right? From this support, shot up, hit that resistance, came back down, hit the support, went back up, hit the resistance. What do you think is going to happen, right? Come back down and hit the support, right? And in my other videos, you know, we showed you how market moves, right? We show you that market moves in 3 ways, right? If you're coming in a sell, it's impulse, flag, continuation. If you're going in a buy, got that impulse, flag, continuation. Well, let me show you what the market did here, right? Okay, from this resistance point, right? It came down, right? Came down, flag, continuation, flag, continuation, bigger flag, continuation, right? Now, seeing this daily support or this 4-hour support, where do you think price is going to hit? It may come back down here, right, to touch this. So for me personally, I wouldn't have gotten in this trade yet. The only way, right, I would get into this trade is 2 things have to happen, right? 2 things have to happen. Okay, let me show you, right? So you've seen this trend line, right? You've seen this trend line. And personally, I would go down to the 15-minute, right? And 2 things would have to happen for me to get into this trade, seeing that this is a strong support area. Price would have to bounce off support, right? Or price would have to do this, watch. It would have to break this trend line or break this structure. My MACD would have to cross over. And what do we wait for, right? That's your impulse. We would wait for a flag. And then we take it from the buy here for the continuation back to the upside. That's the only way I would have entered the trade, right? And this is what we're going to teach you when you do partner with us, because we want to, again, get you in that strong starting foundation, right? So that way your Forex journey can last forever, right? So again, I hope you like this video. Hope it was very informative. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video. And if again you are looking to partner with anyone in iMarketsLive and wanting to get your Forex journey started, click on the link in the description, www.tradewithmicah.com. Until the next video, aloha, stay blessed.